Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cool Craft Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper lamp, and the things you'll need for this craft is scissors, Fevicol or glue stick and a sheet. You can take any color sheet. So let's get started. Now we'll just keep away the scissors and glue, and we are going to be folding it into half. And then we are going to be taking our scissors and we are going to be cutting it only halfway. So don't cut it fully, because we don't want it to tear fully. We will need a joint. And then keep on cutting it like this till the end. I have already made one over here. It should look something like this. I have started it till here and ended it till here. Then what we are going to do is we'll just cut one strip off and keep it aside. We will need this for later. Then we are going to be opening it. And then we'll be taking our glue. And then we'll just glue one end. And then we are going to do something like this. And then just stick it. Then we are going to take this strip that we cut earlier before. And we are going to glue two ends. A little over here. And then the other end. And then we are going to take our lamp and stick this to one end like this, and then to the other like this. And there your paper lamp is ready. Now all you need to do is hang it somewhere. Bye guys, thank you for watching.